Okay, ladies, this is the final result of washing my Coach bag. I soaked it in OxiClean Max Force Pre-Treater Gel Stick. I used this on all of the stains. It's got the little nubby thingies. You can just kind of roll it around and, put that stuff right up in there. I put it mostly on the bottom. So now, this is our final result. It hasn't been dried yet. Just came out of the washer machine. The back. Now, as we remember, ladies, this was very disgusting. Satin inside. Spotless. Came out fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Looks brand new. The outside. So nice and clean. As we remember before, ladies, this was one disgusting Coach bag. And now it looks amazing. I can't wait to let it dry and put all my stuff back in. Right now I'm using one of my Michael Kors bags, but I'm really missing my Coaches. I can honestly say I am a Coach girl. So this is my satin Coach purse that I just washed in the washing machine. And it's beautiful. It looks fantastic. I'm very happy with the result. Ladies, I hope this helped, and I hope all of your questions were asked, and I hope that everybody else can get their purses back as fresh and clean as this, especially from what it came from. It's absolutely amazing. Look at that. It's beautiful. I'm so excited. All right. Any questions, ladies? Let me know. If I can do anything else to help you or answer any questions, I'd greatly appreciate it. I'm Gila. I am your purse cleaner instructor. Don't mind the way I look. Thank you.